Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone. All right. As you can see here, we are on the Google Chat web. I'm going to show you how to do so on the phone version as well. Down here, as you can see, just go ahead and go to your direct messages. And here in the left pane, all right, just click on a person. Now go ahead and click on the person's email again. Now what we're going to do here is just click on block and report. All right, as you can see here, when we click on it, there'll be a pop-up. This email won't be able to message you directly, and their messages in the space will be hidden for you. They can still read any messages that you can send to the space. If to block is just what you want, just go ahead on block right here. If you want to report the person, go ahead and tick this box and go ahead and click on block. All right. Now on phone, just launch the Google Chat app. Once you're in here with the same set of steps in your messages right here, tap on the email. And as you can see, we have the option to block and report the user. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.